Everybody, it's Jay from the Academy. Let me talk to you for a second, just a second. This is your accessible moment from the Academy. Recently, I was talking to somebody and they were a guest at my house and they were watching me as I was navigating Amazon and I was ordering a product. So I'm tabbing and typing and reading edit fields with my screen reader. And they said, how do you do that? And in the back of my mind, I was like, yes, because this is what we train on and what we teach in the academy, the big three key commands. And you want to know what those commands are? You have to join the academy at www.accessiblepass.net. The big three key commands is a big tool for your accessible tool belt. Yes, Paschall.